it's your girl CJ at the Pearl Agency, bringing you some pearls of wisdom about the new 2020 W-4 form. It is different from the forms we filled out in past tax years. However, don't let that intimidate you. Here are some quick highlights on what you should do to ensure that you are taking out the appropriate amount of tax throughout the year. Section 1 is going to be your demographic information with your name, address, social security number, and your filing status. That's going to be married, filing joint, or qualifying widow, single or married filing separately, and lastly, head of household. Section 2, you're going to follow the directions in this section if you have more than one job or you're married, filing joint, and your spouse also works as well to ensure that tax is taken out for the combined income, the right amount of tax is taken out. You have a choice of how to go about calculating the proper amount to be withheld throughout the year. Section 3, if your income will be $200,000 or less, $400,000 or less if married filing jointly, you're gonna fill out this section for dependents. So you're going to multiply the number of qualifying children under age 17 by $2,000. You're going to multiply the number of other dependents by $500 on the second line if you have qualifying other dependents. These are going to be children over the age of 17 and older, and anyone else that you claim as a dependent because you are doing total care for them, that you are their financial caregiver. The other options, other income that's not from jobs. You may have a side hustle. Yes, we all have side hustles, don't we? We need it today to survive. So other income, you may have hobbies that you're making money from. This is what Section 4, Line A is going to be for. Line B, deductions. If you expect to claim deductions other than the standard deductions. Standard deductions have just about doubled now. So unless you have a lot of deductions to take out, most people go with the standard deductions since it's so high now. And it may be the best route for you to go. If it's not that much more, it may not be worth the hassle to itemize. However, make sure you get all your coins. So we make sure you check with your tax preparer to figure out what is the best route on that deduction. Extra withholding. That's some people tend to use extra withholding for like a savings account. The IRS does not pay you interest on that extra money that you're paying them throughout the year. So find a way to save that money and earn interest on it. You want to invest it, put it in an interest-bearing checking or savings account, invest in retirement funds or accounts. Those are going to be better options than just having it sit at the IRS so that you can claim it on your refund January, February, March. All right. Section 5. It's just where you sign and date. Turn this in to your payroll department. They should be able to answer questions to help you fill this out. If not, get with your tax preparer or go to the irs.gov/W4 app. This is your girl CJ regarding taxes and payroll. We'll talk to you later. Have a great weekend.